our capacitor. A capacitor is a two-terminal electrical device that can store energy in the form of an electric charge. There are many kinds of capacitor out there. Electrolytic capacitor and ceramic capacitor are the most used one. Ceramic capacitor typically look like this. This is a fixed value capacitor where the ceramic material acts as the dielectric. Ceramic capacitors are non-polarized. That means there is no negative or positive terminal for this capacitor. They are mainly used for high stability performance and low loss devices. We can find the capacitance value of the ceramic capacitor by the code written on its body. We may find a 3-digit number and an alphabet at the end. As an example, here 1 is the first digit number and 2 is the second digit number. Then the third digit number, which is multiplier. Later on this video, I will explain about this multiplier. At the end, the alphabet represents the tolerance value. I will also explain this tolerance in this video. Let's say we have found one ceramic capacitor with code 102J on its body. So let's take the first digit, which is 1, and the second digit, which is 0. Then the third digit, which is multiplier. Here the multiplier is 2, so it will be 10 to the power 2. At the end, J represents the tolerance value. You can find the tolerance from the chart. The overall value will come at picofarad. So if we go forward to find the value, here the first two digits will remain same as a 10 and then the multiplier, which is 100. So the result will be 1000 picofarad, which is equivalent of 1 nanofarad. If we consider 5% tolerance, then the capacitor value would be between 0.95 nanofarad to 1.05 nanofarad. Most of the time, typical capacitor doesn't include the tolerance alphabet, so they have only 3 digits. If the tolerance value is very much important for the project, then we have to check the manufacturer datasheet. Let's see some example of finding value of ceramic capacitor. Here I got one capacitor. You can see there is a number only 5 written on the body of the capacitor. So this is 5 picofarad capacitor. Here is the another one. It's written 10. So this is 10 picofarad capacitor. Here another one is written 75. So this is 75 picofarad. On this body it's written 103. So it will be 10 nanofarad. Here is the another ceramic capacitor with written 104. So this is 100 nanofarad. So this is the last one for this video. So it's written 222.